Okay. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the International School of Traders. My name is Mugo Tiane. This is our Wednesday Market Watch. This is our part 2. We just had a little bit of difficulties the previous session, so we just decided to start afresh. Let's go and check on some of the news items, the things that we are having today in the market. So I'm going to go to my economic calendar just quickly. We already have seen some of the news today, but the one that I would really love you to look at is the initial jobless claims in South Africa that is going to be released at 3:30, right? And then we are going to have also later on the core CPI, which is the consumer price index at 3:30 South African time. So this is something to really watch out for, something that may look good or bad for us, but we're going to look at some of the dollar trades that we are looking at this afternoon, right? So just before, before I waste your time, let me just go. Let me just go into some of the things that we are looking at this afternoon. It's not. Okay, so this coming Saturday, right? This coming Saturday, before I just we go on some of the things, this coming Saturday, we are having a cool program. This is called the IST NASDAQ strategy and the gold strategy. We are releasing that exactly on Saturday, 11 a.m. Right? You don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. Obviously, this is a recorded session. Please do subscribe and like this video if you are seeing this on our YouTube channel. And yeah, we really appreciate that. Right? So this coming Saturday, we are releasing. There's no need. I don't think there is an excuse now. There is a lot of people who have been crying and telling me they're just looking for a working strategy. And I'm finally releasing the strategy this coming Saturday. I don't see a need for you to complain after this. Come this Saturday and receive the strategy, and you are going to be on the right track, on the right side of things. And also, that's for people who are looking for the trading strategy, right? This coming Saturday, you are going to receive that. And then let us go now into the market. Let me show you what we are looking at this afternoon, actually. So one of the trades that we are looking at is actually Gdp Jpy. We are holding some trades on this setup. Even though our buy limit that I sent yesterday is in profit currently, just go to small time frame. It is currently in profit. We bought here. There's a buy limit that I sent out yesterday. I believe that our stop loss right here need to shift just a little bit. Like, not fix that. So just below these weeks, guys, and you know these guys, whenever they trying to sweep a lot of traders out, they can see the market players that we are in this and we are not playing. What they do is they just go and sweep us out and take us out and then continue. Now, the reason why they may do that, maybe the market want to come to the 100-day moving average or the 200-day moving average. That can happen, guys. It's not hidden and it's not written in stone that here we're going to bounce and go up, right? Cool. Now, let's go to Euro USD, right? Euro USD, this is one of the setups that we're looking at. Euro USD, the only thing that I want, the only thing that I wish for Euro USD is for it, let's just go to 1 hour time frame. Oh, before we go to 1 hour time frame, just put on your limit or not your limit order, your support, your line there, or your horizontal line. You are looking at where market bounced on this 4 hour time frame. This is where market bounced. So I would love to choose this area here. Then let's go to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this cool Cool. Setup that is lining itself up, and I think it's getting ready to be taken anytime soon. It's getting ready to be taken. So if you just squeeze this a little bit, this may be a structure that is looking like this. And I believe this structure is going to, market is going to come down to this level, or maybe even further lower than that. And then after that, the market is going to push all the way up, right? I'm just watching this for now. I haven't taken any trade, no buy limit, nothing, right? So, and then let's go to XAUSD. Now, guys, for those who know the international school of traders, using Fibonacci extensions and using Fibonacci and all those things, this market right here, actually this market is my desired area, right? My desired area. Yesterday night, right in the evening, my desired area of resistance. Right? So without, market can still push this area of resistance all the way up, right? Still push and break this area and continue towards the top side, right? But I want you to look at this in this kind of a way where we are having this trend line. Maybe put it this way. You might want to put this trend line this way or this way, right? This market hasn't finished the second cycle that I was looking at, but we might see something like this lining up where we are going to be having markets going down to that level once again, right? So let's go down to, now the reason why I'm doing this because of the daily time frame, guys. The daily time frame, we have reached the resistance area, right? So this resistance area on a 1 hour time frame, you can see there's some structures that we are seeing here. Let me go to 15-minute time frame. There is also some structures that are looking like this. That may be true or less true, right? But I don't want to sell a breakout. I want to sell at this area, guys, right? This is the area where I would like to sell my XAUSD, which is around 1832.60, right? So just in case, but I do have some trading alerts in that zone, right? Why do I have trading alerts there? I want, when markets reach there, I want this PC to give me alerts saying, hey, this is now this has finally reached the area of resistance. This is finally reached your desired area. And when you get there, just sell, right? Maybe look for a sell option. So that's what I'm looking for. Looking for a sell option when markets reach that area, right? So that is currently going on there. And then USD CAD, nothing there, guys. Took my profit. Gdp. Euro GBP. Sorry, my network is horrible. Okay, cool, no problem. So this is Euro GBP on a 4-hour time frame. Remember the idea that I had, I think this week or something like that, that I wanted to sell around this area. I didn't sell, right? Because market didn't reach that area. And I want you to have a look at this and put on some trading alerts also there. Trading alerts around 0.8 0.85742, right? That's an area of resistance that you maybe want to look at in this particular area. Or maybe let's see. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, this is a very important area. It's a very important area right here. It's a very important area that I'd like you to look at, right? So if this does happen, the way I wish. This is going to do like this, reach that area, and then we start selling all the way down. That is my outlook. That is my expectation in this market, right? Cool. That is my expectation in this market. We've been on a bearish market for quite some time, so I'm expecting a little bit of a change in structure, or maybe a continuation of this structure, right? That's what I'm looking at. So one of the trades that we also looked at was CHF Jpy, which is a trade that I gave out yesterday, which is currently in profit, right? This is a setup that we took yesterday. Now, I really wish to move my stop loss to near entry or entry, right? Since these areas right here, we have some very crucial areas. Let me just check here. So since this was a 61.8, so this is a very crucial area, right? So please, let's watch this trade, right? Let us please watch this trade. If you're not comfortable with losing this trade because you're already in profit, you might want to do what? Move your stop loss into entry, instead of losing the whole trade, right? I'm just gonna move my stop loss close to entry at the moment, just to minimize the risk. That is CHF Jpy. CHF we didn't really discuss anyway. So what I don't like about CHF, right, is that we are having a bearish market, but also Ashley, why did you blow your account? Okay, I'm not going to mention the amount. Why did you blow such money? It's a lot of money. Why? You're not using risk management, no? You're not. You are not. Okay, just give me a WhatsApp, Ashley. Just give me a WhatsApp. Just give me a WhatsApp. So what I don't like about this setup is that we have a double bottom here, but we also have a strong bearish market, right? So this, obviously the double bottom is now over in terms of the trade that we had to take at that time. But looking at, you know what? Okay, this trade, if you take it here, this trade, if you take it here, you have to hold this area, which is around 10 pips, and also outside, right? So if you're taking this trade now, the most advisable area to take this trade at is 0.73548. 0.73548. That is the most desired area, right? Cool. And then that's the most desired area. And then I'm going to put 0.738 for now is my stop loss, and my take profit at 0.73. 00, right? Yeah, 0.73, no, 100 and 100 and okay, let's place this trade Right. Okay, what did we just do? We just put a sell limit order at the area of resistance here on CHF, and that area is at 0.73548, right? The stop loss is 0.73689, and the take profit is at 0.73150, right? Cool. Now that is the sell limit order. And then the order also that you might wanna take is a sell order right here, but we have to, calculate this. You have to add in, so these are a couple of pips, and so it's going to be a little bit riskier trade. I'm gonna take it anyway. Right. This is a little bit of riskier trade, right? I was still not taking a screenshot. Okay, actually, this is my number in the group. I can't really take your number right now. Okay, so let me just do something here. I can't really take your number right now. There's my number in the group. I'm going to please just give me a direct message on the phone. And this is my number. Let me just drop my number in the comments. Okay, this is my number. 067. If you're in South Africa, 067 147 37. Okay, cool. Now, so that's my number. Okay, cool. Now, this is the trade that we've just taken. I got disturbed. I don't know if I did call out stop loss and take profit. Let's continue, right? And another trade is which trade is this one? That's Gdp Jpy. So Gdp Jpy, we took a buy limit here yesterday, and I did mention, I don't know if it was now or last time, I did mention that what is going on right now is that these people may come and wanna push us out of the market because they can see where we are taking our buys, right? Taking our buys here, and they might like, what, let's sweep them out, but do not give up on this trading idea, okay? Even if the market can take us out, okay, do not give up until what will only make me give up on this trading idea is when market goes all the way down to this zone. But if market comes to this zone, bounce, this is all part of the process for this trade. This is all part of the process, right? And this right here is a beautiful area of what? Beautiful area of support, which we have seen in the past. So don't worry, just use proper management. There's nothing written in stone, guys. For those who are following my trades and all those things, there's nothing written in stone like say, yes, the market is going to go to this direction. It's not gonna happen that way. It's not gonna happen. There's nothing written in stone that, hey, market have to go this way because of this. There's nothing written in stone. This is the market. We are not market makers, right? We are just merely participating in the market. So, meaning if you're participating in the market, just use proper risk management all the time. Use proper risk management all the time, and do not over risk. What I just saw in the comments, somebody losing that amount of money. It's not nice. It's not nice. So I just gave you my number, Mr. Ashley. I don't know if you saw it in the comments. Okay, cool. I don't wanna see that happening. I don't see that happening. Okay, cool. There's a lot of things going on in the markets. It's XAUSD that I'm really looking at. Obviously, when I'm confident on XAUSD, I give you guys a trade, even if it's riskier sometimes. But at the moment, we are not yet. I'm not yet confident. And today I'm wearing a shirt, guys. Some office vibes kind of set up, even though I'm working from home. and this side, don't get from this side, I'm wearing shorts, this side I'm wearing shorts. It's not like, I'm all formal. Okay, cool. If you are seeing this on our YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe to this channel. And if you are coming this Saturday, please hit us up on our WhatsApp. Hit us up on 067-147-3701. We are releasing the NASDAQ strategy and the gold strategy. Once off at 899. That is 900 Rand, guys, and nobody's doing that. So we're just giving it away merely or almost for free. Obviously, if you are part of the intelligence of traders, you are going to learn the same thing absolutely 100 for you when you pay for your course, right? But this is not including your mentorship, guys. It doesn't include your mentorship. So I'm going to come here on Zoom. I'm going to train you how to trade NASDAQ, how to trade, and I give you some material and templates to say, this is what you're going to use, this is what you're going to use. And then number 3, I'm going to do it. I'm going to add you in a group where I'll be monitoring you and tell you that, okay, this is good, this is not good. It's not a mentorship program. It's not part of it's not on the IST trading community. It's on the IST NASDAQ group. So the group that I'm going to be training, we're going to have their own group this coming Saturday. We already have like 10 people there. So do not miss out. It's 900 Rand. You don't want to say you missed out on this one. You're looking for a working strategy. You don't want all these trading funny things that you always do here. Come and get the strategy and you are going to see. But if you're looking for mentorship, it's 299. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is hidden. It's 299. And then there's mentorship. There's one-on-one sessions. Even after this, guys, I'm having some one-on-one sessions. So yeah, I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Shalom.